lecture number 3, push or pull command and the offset command. In this lecture we are going to talk about the two commands. One is the push and pull command and other is the offset command. So basically whenever we want to draw the 3D object or whenever we want to draw the hole actually, so that time we are using the push and pull command in the Google SketchUp software. And if I want to draw the double line for the particular line or the any kind of object that we have drawn by some amount of a distance, so that we can draw easily with the help of the offset command. So one by one in this lecture we are going to talk about the push and pull command over here. So basically for using the push and pull command, first I am drawing the rectangle in the Google SketchUp software. So with the dimensions of the 50 meter, 50 meter, I am drawing one square over here actually. So let's say if I want to draw the 3D object for this particular square at a height of 25 meter over here. So for that purpose we are going to use this pull and push command over here. So this command will be located in the large tool set command. So we just clicking on this pull and push command over here and we just going and selecting the surface of the square whose 3D object we want to make over here. So once we have selected this particular surface, simply we have to move the cursor in the upward direction over here actually. So at up to which height we want to draw this object, so we can mention this height also. So let's say distance is the 25 meter and enter. So like that we can draw the 3D square in the Google SketchUp software with the help of the pull and push command over here. Second thing is that if I want to draw the hole inside this particular square over here what we have drawn, so for that purpose I am taking here one circle command over here actually, and I am going to draw one circle over here with a radius of 10 meter over here. So let's say the 10 meter of radius of circle I have drawn over here. Now I want to make the hole inside this particular 3D geometry. So for that purpose again I am going to use the pull and push command. So this time instead of pushing I am going to pull the command on the downward side. So I am just selecting the particular surface of this circle over here and just moving the cursor in the downward direction likewise. So likewise we can draw the throughout circle inside this particular object over here also. So like that with the help of the pull and push command we can draw the extended hole also, and we can draw the any kind of a slot in the particular geometry also with the help of this command. So pull and push command frequently we are using whenever we are designing the solar power plant in the Google SketchUp software over here. Next command we are going to see is the offset command. So let's say generally whenever we are doing the site survey for the solar power plant, most of the building will have the parapet wall of a distance of 10 centimeter from each corner of the particular rooftop area actually. So let's say this is our building, and if I want to draw the parapet wall at a distance of the 10 centimeters from the each and every corner of this particular rooftop area of the building, so for that purpose we have to use the offset command. Offset command is been located in the large tool set command over here, exactly below the pull and push command like this. So once we have select the offset command, we have to click on the particular surface over here, which surface we want to offset by a distance of the particular distance over here like this. So let's say I want to offset this particular smaller square from the bigger square by a distance of 1 meter, let's say. So I am just writing here 1 meter over here distance. So as soon as we are going to write the 1 meter of a distance, so this particular surface will be offsetted by a distance of the 1 meter over here, and the same surface will be replicated over here actually with the help of the offset command over here. So basically offset means what? It is a distance between the two objects on this surface over here. So let's say if I want to draw the elevated structure for the rest of the smaller square, so I am selecting this particular surface, and with the help of the pull and push command we just elevating this particular structure by selecting this surface and moving the cursor in the upward direction like this, and setting the distance as an 2 meter over here like this. So we can say we can draw the parapet wall from each and every corner of this particular rooftop area in the solar power project over here. So that is why frequently we will going to use the offset command in the solar power plant designing over here. So on an average, when we see the pull and push command we are using for drawing the 3D object, and offset command we are using to draw the replicated object at some of the offsetted distance over here.